Welcome. This is KCPE, the year 2022 November. What is this number written in words? So ili upata kuandika hii number katika words, if you want to write this number in words, what you need to do, divide this number starting from the right side 3 into 3 groups, like 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma. So you start from where? Here we have ones, so you start from the one side, you 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma. Now these numbers, you can see it reads as 400 million. This one is 400 million 300,085. So you can see that the correct answer is D. What is the total value of digit 6 in this number? So this is in this number, this is 1. This is the 1, so let me write the number 596124. This one is the ones, tens, hundreds. This one is a thousand. This one is ones, tens, 100,000, and then 10,000. 10,000. So 6, the place value of 6 is 10,000. So it is 6 times 10,000. That one gives you 60,000. Therefore, the total value of 6 in this number is 60,000. 1 2 3 C. Which one of the following statement is correct? This sign means less than. Less than. This one means greater than. Greater than. This one means greater or equal to. So we want to say 0.95 is less than 0.095, which is a false, because we know 0.9 is bigger than this, therefore it is greater. So this one is wrong. 0.075 is greater than 0.75. That's a lie, because 0.0 is smaller than 0.7. 3.85 is less than 3.75. That's a lie, because 3.8 is greater than 3.7. That's a lie. 1.25 is greater than 0.125. That is correct. So the correct answer is that. Number 4. What is the value of this? So 8 square is 64 minus 8 divided by 4 plus 3. 64 minus 8 is 56 divided by 4 plus 3. So 56 divided by 4 is 14, and then plus 3. The answer is 17. Number 5, a tailor had 24 3/4 meters of a clothing material. The tailor sold 1/3 of the material and used 1/4 meters to make a shirt. How many meters of the clothing material remained? So we are told that the total is 24 3/4. That is the total material. So the tailor used 1/3 of, this times this is 96. That's 99/4. So you find the proper, you put this fraction into its proper. So of means multiplication. So this one is the same as 1/3 times 99 divided by 4. So this one's here, this one is 3. So 33/4. This one was sold. So sold equal to 33 over 4. And then 1 over 4 was used to make the chart. So this one is the same as 4 times 1, that is 5 over 4 was used to make the chart. So the total is 5 over 4 plus the one that was solved, 3 over 4. LCM is 4, that is 5 plus 33. And this one is 38 divided by 4. So 38 divided by 4, you get this 9, 2 over 4. This is the same as this cancels here 1, here twice. So that's 9 and a half. So this one has been used, solved, and this one. So the total was 24 and 3/4. Subtract 9 and a half so that we have what is remaining. Find the LCM. The LCM is 4. 24 minus 9 is 15. So 4 here 1, that is 3 minus 4 here 2. So that is 15. This is 1 over 3 minus 2 is 1 over 4. So the answer is 15/4. Number 6, work out this one. So you start with body mass. So body mass bracket, we start with brackets. Our brackets here, so we will have 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4. LCM is 3 over 5. LCM is 20. Goes here 5. Goes here 4 plus times 4 times 3 is 12. So we have 17 over 20. And then now we have 1 over 3 of 17 over 20 divided by 1 over 4. After that we have off. Off comes before, after the brackets. Now we have off. So 1 over 3, off means multiplication, 17 over 20. This one gives us 1 over, that is 17. 1 times 17, 17. 3 times 20, 60. So now 17 over 60 divided by 1 over 4. This is the same as 17 over 60. Because we are dividing, we multiply and then we get a reciprocal, 4 over 1. So 4 cancels here 1, here twice. 20, that is 4, 15. 15 times. So this one is the same as 1, that is 15, remain 2 over 15. So our answer is C. Number 7, what is the next number in the pattern? What is the next number in the pattern? So I have written the numbers here: 45, 51, 57, 59, 65, and 71. So the difference between 45 and 51 is 6. From here up to here is 6. 57 to 59 is 2. 59 to 65 is 6, and 65 to 71 is 6. So the pattern, you can see it is 6, 6, 2, 6, 6, 2. So what is 2 done? You add. So this plus this, 45 plus 6, 51. 51 plus 6 is 1. 59, 57 plus 2, this. So we are adding this plus this, this plus this, and so this plus this will give us this next number in the series. So it will be 71 plus 2, and that one is 73. Karanja, Wanja, and Admi weigh themselves. Karanja weigh 46, so Karanja 46.8. Wanjara W weighs 0.5 kilos heavier than Karanja. So if it is heavier, it is 46.8 plus 5. That one gives us 47.3 kg. And then Amina was 1.3 kilograms lighter than Wanjara. Lighter ni mwepesi, so Wanjara kuna 747.3, so Amina ni mwepesi, so natoa hiyo yake 1.3, and this one will give us 46 kg. So the total, what is their total mass? So you add 46 plus 47.3 plus 46.8. This one gives 140.1. This is now number 9 is decimals. So we can first balance the number of decimals. On the numerator, the one which is above has how many decimals? 1, 2. The denominator has only one decimal place. So to balance, you multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the 1 to 100 times 100 times 100. So by so doing, now we will have 48 times 183 divided by 6 times 6 times 10 times 100 times 10, because 0 will go with this one. And then we know now we can cancel out. 6 goes here once, 6 goes here 8 times, 2 here 4, 2 here 3, 3 goes here once, goes here 6, 1. Now we have 61 times 4 divided by 10. This times 6 is 4, this times is 24 divided by 10. 244 divided by 10, we will put just a decimal place here, so we will have 24.4, and that is 24.4. What is this number rounded off to one decimal place? So the decimal place is here. So if we want one decimal place, we start here 1. So we will come here. This one is more than 5, so it will increase this by 1. So this one will be 10. 10 will increase this by 1, so we will have 963.0. See. So in this figure, you can see we have two right angle. There is this big right angle triangle, and then we have this right angle triangle, and then we have this. So we have 3 triangles here: the bigger one, this one, and the shaded. So to get the area of the shaded, first we can calculate the area of the big triangle. Area of a triangle is equal to a half times base times height. So from here up to here, we have been told from here up to here is 4. From here up to here is also 4, because the same size. Sorry. So from here up to here is 3 plus, our base is 3 plus 4. So a half times 7 times height, which is 4. So this one will give us 1 here. So that is 14 centimeters square. So now we can calculate the area of the unshaded and then subtract. Unshaded is equal a half times 4 times 4, and that is 8. So shaded equal to 14 minus 8, that is 6 centimeters square.